I've got Reynolds right here. Reynolds went through this, put him on camera. Hey, bud. Reynolds, what do you think, and what questions do you have about going and trying to buy that house from that lady?
Well, I like that house. I thought it was good for the neighborhood. The neighborhood was pretty nice, but the house was very good looking compared to the neighborhood.
How so?
Well, some of the yards in the neighborhood were overgrown, a little bit of rotting on the wood of the houses, but I felt like the house that we just looked at looked very nice. I feel like a lot of things were redone.
Mm-hmm.
I don't have really very many questions, or I don't really have a question.
How was the experience of hanging out and talking to a homeowner about maybe buying our house?
Just like having a regular, everyday conversation.
Really?
Yeah, I didn't feel anything different.
You don't feel anything different?
Nope.
Would it surprise you to know that there's a lot of people that are thinking about doing this business, thinking about buying houses, renovating, buying, selling, thinking about getting into this, but they're afraid of that conversation?
Really? Well, if that's you, dial.
Yeah. If that's you, dial 888. No. Would that surprise you to know that some people are nervous or scared or worried about that conversation and having those meetings?
Yeah, probably.
That would surprise you? Why does it surprise you?
Because they're scared to be denied.
Oh, tell me more about that.
I wasn't ready for this.
I know, that's why I put the camera on you.
Tell you more about like why people were scared to be denied?
Yeah.
Maybe like, or they're just scared to be like mean and say like, this house is like horrible, I don't want to buy it. And they don't want to tell people or let people down like that.
Yeah. Okay. So, do you think there's reason to be afraid or scared?
I mean, there's a reason, but it's not a very good reason.
Okay. So, what would you tell people if they're scared or nervous to have conversations, to go see a seller, meet them at the house, and talk about buying their house? What would you tell them?
Go do it. If you don't like it, go do it again.
Okay. What would doing it again help? You're giving the right answers, you just don't know why.
No.
Yeah. Go do it again, because if you're nervous, you're scared on the first time. The second time, you'll be less nervous or scared. Yeah. The nerves and the being scared of it is just because of, so the fear of the unknown can be solved and overcome by learning, getting the knowledge, getting the experience, and knowing what the variables are, what could happen. So follow Reynolds' advice. Do it again. If you're nervous, scared, do it. And then what? Do it again. I love it. All right. Well, we're going into the police department because, well, part of being a business owner and property owner is sometimes you got to deal with the police department. So don't worry, guys. Well, I hope I'm not coming out in cuffs. We'll be out. It's fine. Everything's cool. We're not going in for anything like that. We'll see y'all later.